A380 has a three-class configuration. We have first class and then economy class in the main deck. The upper deck, right here where we are sitting right now, actually these ones are the business class seats. There are 60 in total, and yeah, they are the widest seats there is of the A380 in the market. Our first class suites, you can expect the most luxurious space. It has a lot of amenities from Bulgari. It has like super comfortable seats, a lot of space. It has the opportunity for example, in the middle for the seats to be together. So it's amazing for couples or even for families. And we found the aircraft really beautiful and really accommodating to what we need right now at this moment. So we decided to keep it like that for now. Aircraft because it's the biggest aircraft. It has like so many possibilities, so much space to work on, and the premium capacity of having like these 2 floors and I mean it's really a good aircraft for us because we believe it's very adaptable to different type of situations. Even if a client of ours wants to make this whole completely first class, whole completely business class. I mean, it's 2 floors and there's a lot of things that we can do with it.